In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a key fob from a Mazda 3. There are two of these that look exactly the same, except one is a 4 button like I have here that has the hatch open button, and another that just has 3, but they both use the CR 2025 and were used on Mazda 3s from 2014 to 2018. So it's going to be the same exact procedure to get in there and change your battery. So to start, we're going to turn it over, find the little latch on the back, and push that down to remove your valet key. And you can see right here a little indentation on either side, right there. We can take a regular flathead screwdriver and let it find its way in there, give it a little twist, and now we've made an opening on this side to loosen it. We're going to do the same on the other side. Put it in, gently twist, got it open on both sides, and now just put it in that opening, twist, wiggle it down, twist, and it just pops right off. Now we can remove this protector, this little piece of plastic here, to see our CR 2025 battery. Go ahead, find a replacement, put that in, secure this piece of plastic right on top, and it's very easy to just click this back into place. Done. Just put your valet key back in and you're good to go. New battery in your Mazda 3 key fob.